What kind of generator sound is this? Guy, are you snoring or fighting for your life? Leave me alone, please. Everybody snores. I don't know why I'm always tired in the morning. You sleep like a tractor but still wake up tired. That's the strange part. Maybe you sleep too much. I understand. Let me just check that. For this transaction, we'll need your ID and a small form.
I understand.
I keep feeling sleepy during the day, and I wake up with headaches sometimes. I do not think this is normal anymore. What brings you in today? I snore loudly, I wake up tired, get headaches, and my friend says I stop breathing sometimes in my sleep.
How long has this been happening?
For months, but I ignored it.
Do you often feel sleepy during the day?
Yes.
Snoring is common, but it should not always be ignored. Sometimes it is harmless. But loud snoring with poor sleep, daytime tiredness, or breathing pauses may suggest a sleep-related breathing problem.
When breathing is repeatedly disrupted during sleep, your body does not rest properly.
Over time, this can affect your energy, concentration, and overall health.
So snoring is not always just noise?
Exactly. For now, maintain a healthy weight if needed.
Avoid alcohol close to bedtime. Try sleeping on your side instead of your back. And if symptoms continue, further evaluation may be needed. I thought it was normal. Now I know better. Thank you, doctor.
If your snoring comes with tiredness, headaches, or breathing pauses, do not ignore it. Your sleep may be telling you something important. Before you go, hit subscribe, drop a reaction, and share this with someone who needs it. See you in the next video. I'll come looking for you.